Hi, and welcome to this week's episode of Munchie Monday. And my name is Christian Winston, and I am a Wellbeing Ambassador at Campus Recreation and Wellness. And today we are going to be doing some infused water, and we're going to be just making a quick and healthy snack. The ingredients for this Munchie Monday are sliced cucumbers and sliced strawberries for the infused water, and then we just have some mixed nuts, so I have almonds, cashews, and peanuts. So a very quick and easy tip to eating healthier just by starting with something simple like your water is making infused water. So I already have some pre-washed and pre-sliced cucumbers and strawberries here, and I've already washed my hands and yes, my very long nails and up under them as well. And so all you really need is some water and a water bottle and your fruit. But we're just gonna take some of our cucumbers and we're gonna put them in here. However many you really want. I really like cucumbers. And then we have our strawberries. You just put it in your water. And now you have infused water. And this is really good to avoid drinking all those sugary drinks that contribute to a lot of your fat in your sugar intake. So this is just a really healthy and clean way to drink water, and replacing some of those unhealthy snacks with healthier snacks like mixed nuts we have here. So I'm just going to take a few almonds, a few cashews, and a few peanuts. And then you can even mix these with other things. You can put it in your yogurt and your granola. This is just a good alternative, and nuts have good and healthy fats that are good for your heart, and they're really high in fiber, so they're just really healthy for you all around.